In this video, we can see how to get the Python started. Before going to the video, subscribe to my channel In and Around Compute. To get the Python started, we can first see the installation of Python. Many PCs and Macs will have Python already installed. To check if you have the Python installed on a Windows PC, you can search it in the start bar for Python, or you can open the command line using the command cmd.exe in the search bar in the start menu. You can get the command line where you can type the command python space hyphen hyphen version. You can get it will get you the version of Python installed in your Windows PC. For this is for the Windows PC. And next, if you want to check if the Python installed on a Linux or Mac, you can open the command line in Linux, or you can open the terminal in Mac and type the command Python, the same command. You can get the version of Python installed in your Linux or Mac. So if you do not have the Python installed, you can find it from the website python.org. Now we can go to a quick start to Python programming. Being Python an interpreted programming language, that is, as a developer, you can write Python files with the extension .py in a text editor and put those files in the Python interpreter to be executed. And the way to run a Python file is like this, that is Python space hello world.py. That is hello world.py is the name of your Python file. And let's write our first Python file, that is with the extension. We can save it as hello world.py in a directory, and in that, if you write print hello world, and you can, if you save the word file with the extension .py like hello world.py, you can open the command line and you can where you save the file and run the command python hello world.py. Then the output should read hello world. So this is our first Python program. Then we can move to the Python command line. That is to test a short amount of code in Python. Sometimes it is quickest to write in the command code in the command line itself rather than in a text file that we saw already. So for this, we can type in the command line the command as Python, and if it did not work, you can try it as py, and if you type the command python or py, it will give the following lines like this: Python 3.6.4, and then license for more information, and then it will give a space where you can write the program line code. That is, if for the hello world program, you can write the line as print hello world. So like this in the command line also, and this will write hello world in the command line as output. That is, if you write the code print hello world, it will if you press enter, then without executing a separate command to run, it will automatically give the output as hello world. So this is about executing in the program in the command line and writing in the program in the command line also. And whenever you are done with the Python command line, you can simply type the following to quit the Python command line interface with the command exit. So this is all about getting started with Python. Subscribe to my channel if you feel contented. Like and share my videos with your friends.